Welcome to our today's lesson. I am teacher Yohannis Ede, the committed teacher. And today we shall learn about self-introduction. This part is the speaking part, so you need to practice with me by speaking. Thank you very much. As I have said, you practice speaking by speaking only. I will tell you two important things that if you want to speak English, if you want to improve your language, I advise you to have two things or two qualities. The first thing is have interest. If you have interest, you desire to learn. So, after you have interest, you need to practice. Interest is not only the important thing on job, you need to practice after having interest. My invitation of this thing is you need to practice what I am going to talk now. Thank you very much. So, as I said, we shall learn today about self-introduction. That's introduce ourselves by speaking. Okay? So, self-introduction is introducing ourselves to someone. When I introduce myself to someone or to many people, that's called self-introduction. Especially, this might be held between people who are not familiar with each other. So today, we shall learn the expressions to introduce yourself. Very good. Maybe you are being ready for interview. You are being ready for any presentation. Today, what I am going to tell you is very important. So have it carefully. Let us see self-introduction expressions. That's mostly I will show you today how to introduce yourself formally. The expressions are: I would like to introduce myself to you. Let me introduce myself. May I introduce myself to you? Okay? Say after me. I would like to introduce myself to you. I would like to introduce myself to you. Let me introduce myself. Let me introduce myself. May I introduce myself? May I introduce myself? Very good, you did it good. So, these are commonly non-formal expressions for introducing yourself. Yes, this is how we begin our self-introduction. Next to this, not only this one is the introduction. Next to this one, there must be detail that is included. The details are like name, place of birth, age, place of work, okay, with the work that you are, the current work, living place are the important things that must be included. So today, let me give you one model by introducing myself, and you have to practice your own self-introduction. Very good. Let me introduce myself. I am Mr. Yohannis Ede. I'm 26 years old. I was born in Suwalaka, Likadwaja, Wareda, Ketamakabele. Now, I'm living in Nekande City with my family. I have one brother and one sister. Now, I am working at Olive Education Share Company in Nekande branch too, as English language teacher. Thank you for listening. Are you listening? Yes, this is one model of introducing myself. So, you how to practice yourself. Let me add you how you can practice your own self-introduction. First, write on the piece of paper about yourself, about the information as a paragraph. Then read it again and again up to you can memorize at anywhere. Then you can introduce yourself at anywhere, even in large crowd. Thank you very much. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.